Hello, yeah, welcome to my Yoruba class. Here is a lesson I find really interesting. We're going to see these just as we can have them in Yoruba language. Just as in kan, just as in sheshe, just as in pere or shosho, and then just as in olododo. Let's look at these examples. I'm just joking, kidding, or playing. We have it as mo kan shere ni. You're going to hear mo kan shere ni. I just arrived now. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé nísìnyí. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé nísìnyí. I bought just one book. This is going to sound like mo ra ìwé kan ṣoṣo. Mo ra ìwé kan ṣoṣo. It happened just once. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan péré ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀. It happened just once. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan péré ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀. We can also say this as ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. 5 is just. That is ó jẹ́ olódodo, or we have it as olódodo ni. Olódodo ni.